Welcome to Roblox. Today, we will guide you on changing or removing your email. Let's dive in. First, log into your Roblox account and navigate to the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Next, find the account info section. Here, you'll see your current email address. To change the email, click on the Change Email option. Enter your new email address and confirm it. After entering the new email, check your inbox for a confirmation link. Click it to finalize the change. And that's it. Your email is now updated. Remember, you can also remove your email via the same steps. To remove your email, follow the same initial steps. Go to the account info section. Next, click on Remove Email. Confirm your decision to proceed. Remember, removing your email means you won't receive account recovery options. After confirmation, you'll see a success message indicating your email was removed. Thank you for watching. Now you know how to manage your email on Roblox effectively. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.